Tigress.
Sorry I haven't been posting recently. Also Wormtism for 100 subs Heifer Seed. I'm working on a lore vid for all my ox, which includes new names and a new oxy. It'll have the boss for every in it. You'll also be working on another video that'll have more in-depth lore. Here's a little sneak peek. 3. Of course, I'll still be making animations, but for now I'm gonna focus on making the lore videos. I'm thinking about doing a Let's Play series, so check my posts to vote for what you would like to see. Enjoy the rest of the video. Here 3.
Dodo.